In the past few months, you may have noticed a crowd gathering outside Mayo Clinic Health System in La Crosse almost every day.
And today it was especially hard to miss an estimated 50 people joining the pro-life protest. News 8's Brittany Schmidt joins us live from West Avenue to explain. Brittany.
Mark and Lisa, as you can see, there is a crowd of people out in front of Mayo Clinic Health System, Franciscan Healthcare. Now, they have been out here on this corner since about March protesting after a couple says that they were given the option to have an abortion during a high-risk pregnancy from a Rochester-based doctor. And one woman said she even traveled a couple of hours just to make it to the protest.
I just came today. I've been here a few other times.
Diane Dorman is from Boyd, Wisconsin, which is about 2 hours away.
So it's a long drive for me, so I come when I can stay a long time, when I feel like it can be the most meaningful.
But Diane says that 2-hour drive is nothing when it comes to fighting for what she believes in.
From the very beginning, I've come to realize that that life begins at the moment of conception.
For the past several months, Diane, along with others who are pro-life, have been protesting outside this Catholic hospital after one couple says they were given the option of an abortion during a high-risk pregnancy from a Rochester-based doctor, something that is against Catholic principle.
It's unfathomable to me that a doctor here would actually refer people to himself at another hospital to actually perform an abortion.
Chris Hoover has decided to join the protest for the first time today, but it's for a different reason.
I just want there to be another side to the story.
For Chris, the story is a personal one.
My wife has pre-cancer in her uterus.
Chris and his wife have health insurance through Mayo Clinic Health System. If his wife were to get pregnant, for her health, it may not be safe to keep the baby.
Obviously, I want it to be the absolute last choice, but I want all my options to be there, and I want my doctor to be informed.
Chris and Diane may never see eye to eye, but they do have one thing in common, standing up for what they believe in. Whether it's before work,
I work second shifts, I got nothing to do in the day, so why not?
Or after a 2-hour drive.
It's kind of hard to stay away. I really wish I was closer so I could do it more.
La Crosse Bishop William Callahan did release a statement in regards to the protest. He says, in part, it must be noted that abortions have not been performed in the past, nor will they be tolerated in the future at Mayo Clinic Health System, Franciscan Healthcare. The bishop also says that he would like the ethics committees at the hospitals to meet on a regular basis so that they can review and evaluate the practices at the hospital just to make sure that they are following with the Catholic teachings or principles.
All right, thank you so much, Brittany. Mayo Clinic Health System also provided us a statement. It says in part, the organization is very appreciative of the bishop's support of the Catholic hospital in La Crosse. Franciscan Healthcare remains committed to compassionate, high-quality health care for all of our patients in accord with its Catholic mission and our legal and medical obligations.